My name is Nia Adelina Lubangal.
My name is Silvia Tambur.
My name is Wandana Widiamani.
My name is Kalista Tasuma. Hello friend, do you know the definition of narrative text? Now I will be explain what is the definition of narrative text. The narrative text is a type of imagination story that has a fabricated true story, a fairy tale that has a series that interconnect to the chronological event that engage to entertain the reader. The purpose of narrative text. The primary purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader by emotions and imagination that is fictional or factual.
Did you ever heard about the genre structure of narrative text? So today, I will explain it for you. The genre structure of narrative text contains orientation, complication, and resolution. However, there are an optional conclusion, namely the orientation. First of all, I will explain about the orientation. This is the beginning of the story where the author set the scene, contains who, where, and when, introduce the main characters as well as the setting and the time. Next, complication. Tells the story about the problem that leads to the peak or what is usually called the climax. This part makes the story more exciting because there is conflict challenge for the characters. Next we have resolution. The ending of the story or the solution to the problem that occurred. The ending can be a happy ending, can be a sad ending, tragic ending, or even a cliffhanger depending on the time of the story. And last we have reorientation. An optional conclusion contains a moral lesson, advice, and teaching from author. It's not always present, but serves to wrap up the narrative. Next, narrative text has many types. So, let's talk about types of narrative text. First, we have fairy tales. Stories with magical and imaginary characters such as fairies, princes, and witches. Example, Cinderella and Snow White. Next, fables. Stories that use animals as the main characters to teach a moral lesson. Example, the tortoise and the hare. And next we have legend. Stories believed by people, often about the origin of a place, an object, or a famous figure. Example, the legend of Lake Toba.
Myths, traditional stories related to belief gods and supernatural powers. Example, the myths of Dewi Sri. Next, folk tales, traditional stories passed down orally from generation to generation. Example, Timun Mas. And science fiction, traditional stories. Imaginative stories related to science, technology, and the future. Example, Star Wars, The Martian. Horror stories that focus on create feelings of fear, suspense, or terror. And romance, stories that focus on love relationships between characters. Example, Romeo and Juliet. And adventure stories about exciting journey, exploration, or challenging experience of the characters. Example, Romeo stories that focus involve solving puzzle, crimes, or unexplained events, usually full of suspense. Example: Sherlock Holmes, Nancy Drew Mysteries.
The example of narrative text. In a long time ago, there lived a little girl called Snow White. She lived with her aunt and uncle because her family were dead. The part of this story is orientation. At night, she want to sleep, but she noticed her aunt and uncle want to go to America, but they didn't have enough money to take Snow White. The part of this story is complication. Tomorrow, her aunt and uncle were having breakfast, but Snow White doesn't come because she left her house with her uncle and her aunt. She was tired because she doesn't see any safe place, but accidentally she see a house. She want to open the door, but the door was locked. Then she sleep in front of that house. The seven dwarfs were coming. They see the house. Someone sleep in front of the house. She wake up and the seven dwarfs say, "Hey little girl, what's your name?" "My name is Snow White. Do you want to live with us?" "Oh, really? Thanks." Then they live happily ever.
Now I will be explain the language function, but only two. That are the noun and adjective. Noun, pronouns for animal or object in the story, such as the stepmother, the dog, and the cat. Adjective. Example is a big giant, a witch, and beautiful princess. Thank you for everyone to listening to this group. Sorry if any mistake. Thank you.